Hello, all my flower people. Welcome back today. Hey, I'm wondering if you possibly have noticed anything different going on with Facebook these days. I don't know if you have really delved into the world of what all you can do with the new features with the FB5 update for 2020. But now that we are into 2021, Facebook is rolling out even more new features and also a few new apps that might be interesting and beneficial for some of us. I'm going to go into that in more depth, but before we get started with that, definitely want to give you all a welcome today. If you are new here or if you are a regular follower of mine, I'm glad you're here joining me today. I'm designer Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and if you would subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. And if you are any floral professional in any space within our industry, whether you are a flower grower, maybe you own a brick and mortar flower shop, maybe you are a designer with a studio-based business, anywhere within the floral industry, if you are looking to level up your skills when it comes to operating your business and having a better understanding of the business and tech side of being able to market and promote yourself and what your business provides, this is the place for you. So now, to get started, Facebook and Facebook marketing, and within the just last couple of weeks, you might have noticed some changes, and they're pretty big. And for a lot of small businesses, and especially for retail florists, it might throw a bit of a wrench in your planning and marketing, but I wanted to give you some information and some of the basics as to what is happening so that hopefully it doesn't hit you too hard, and maybe it will help you understand a little bit better about what is going on. First off is one of the new apps that Facebook is going to be rolling out soon. I believe they are already rolling it out in some areas, but that is Customer. And that is customer spelled with a K. It is a new app that really utilizes AI or artificial intelligence, and it is a cross-platform messaging app. And as of yet, I haven't really seen or been able to learn much more about it, other than it will be rolling out soon if it hasn't already in your area. And be aware that it is an app, so you have the choice whether you want to actually use it or not. So that is something that you might want to be aware of, so that when you get a notification of it coming across on your feed on Facebook, you can check it out and look into whether you want to make use of it or not. But it actually looks like it might be a pretty powerful tool for especially small businesses. Now, for some of the new features that have now rolled out as of January 6th, this month of January 2021, they are really starting to become more prominent, and I've noticed it has definitely made a change in how the platform works for small businesses and especially retail florists. So one of the main things that you probably are still kind of trying to get familiar with is the layout of your dashboard for your business Facebook page with the new FB5 update that they did in 2020. Now, I don't know if you are using the new Facebook Business Suite at all yet or not, but I'm still trying to wrap my head around how these new features that they've just rolled out this month are looking on the business suite and within that part of the platform versus when you're just looking at it on your business Facebook page. What is happening with this new update is, first off, anything and everything that you post on your business Facebook page now is not just automatically showing up in the news feed of the people that have liked your business Facebook page. So that is one thing that comes up now, is the people that have liked your page. Now in 2021, what they're really focusing on is user experience, and they have been able to figure out that as far as metrics go, the people that have followed your business Facebook page is more of an indication as to what kinds of things people are interested in seeing and the information they would like to get. So one thing that is going away are your Facebook page likes. The button is going to be going away, so you're not really going to be able to have the ability to invite people to like your business page. But I would really encourage you to put a notification out on your business Facebook page now, just letting the people that do follow you know that if they haven't already, if they would swing by your business Facebook page and make sure to follow your page, so that will help ensure that when you do have information that you want to provide to them, that they'll actually be able to see that. So that's one thing. The other thing is, since the like button is going away and your content not necessarily showing up in everybody's news feed automatically, the post that you put out and the content that you put out is being divvied up and divided up among categories now. So at the top of your business page and really your overall dashboard on Facebook, you'll notice that on the one side you have your home tab, and from there you have your pages tab and your watch tab, and you have marketplace, and then you have groups over here. Anytime you create video content, and this is where I really want to let you know that if you haven't stepped into the realm of producing video content for your business Facebook page, now is the time to get on it. The changes that they've made, and if you follow my YouTube channel at all and you've seen any of my past videos and even follow me on Facebook on my business page, you have heard me say time and time again that Facebook is moving to be more of a video-based platform. And now it's kind of like they're forcing us to really do that. So video content, whether it is edited video or live stream video, is now showing up in your watch tab up here. And if anybody wants to see that content, when they go to the watch tab on their Facebook page, when they're just looking at what's going on. If they want to see video content, that content is not going to show up just in their news feed. They're actually going to have to go to their watch tab in order to see it. The nice thing about that is your video content is going to be seen there, and you're not necessarily going to be forced to pay in order to have that video content seen. So that's a good thing. All of your other posts, whether it's just a still image with some text content, or it's a posting with just text content, etc. Maybe you're sharing a link to your website, things of that nature. That kind of content is also not necessarily going to be showing up in people's news feed. So that's kind of where things start to separate. If that's the kind of content that you are focusing on, in order to get more people to see it, that's kind of Facebook's way of starting to generate more revenue and more profits for the company, in that for more people to see it and to get the reach you want with that kind of content, you're probably going to have to actually pay for it. Now, one thing that is different is that content that isn't probably going to get as much reach, as well as your video content. If you have joined any business networking groups for your immediate local area, wherever your business happens to be, or small business community support kinds of groups here on the Facebook platform, you can, if it's a public group, share your content within those groups. So that is one way that you can get more reach and more views on your content now that Facebook has rolled out these new features. But even then, to get more views and to get your content out, I would really encourage you. You have got to get on the stick with video content. The way things have changed. Last year in 2020, the way the internet has advanced with capabilities and the way our different marketing platforms have advanced has 10x'd, like 10 years ahead in just 1 year's time. So if you were having a hard time before, now might be the time for you to really think about taking some time and really becoming familiar with how our different platforms work for marketing our small businesses, like retail florists, artists, really anybody with a small business, and independent entrepreneurs. So if you have seen some of my last videos that I have created just within the last few weeks, I have been focusing on getting all of you floral professionals ready for the upcoming Valentine's Day craziness week for all of us. I have been really suggesting and pushing to you to create some video content, especially live stream video content, promoting the products and services that you're going to have moving forward up through the week of Valentine's Day and then beyond. So now, with these new features for Facebook rolling out, I would really encourage you to check that out and really concentrate on how you can do some quick, spur-of-the-moment live stream video. And again, the new sort of general rule of thumb to get more people to see your content: Plan for creating video content that is at least 3 minutes long or longer. You can make shorter content, but Facebook tells you right off the bat as you're uploading your video that it is just not going to reach as many people if it is shorter content like that. So now with this information, I hope you found this helpful. I don't want you to be discouraged by this because in a lot of ways, I think it will actually help small businesses and encourage us to really level up our skills and get even better at producing our own video content to promote our small independent businesses and develop our brand and marketing for the customers and clientele that we would like to work with. It's only going to get better from here. It's just another stumbling block that we're going to have to go through, and it's just the way business is done now. So if we want to continue as small business owners, we're going to have to be able to embrace these new technologies and present ourselves and create some really great content for our customers and clientele. If you like this kind of content, definitely give my video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, definitely hit that bell icon down below. And that way you'll also get notifications when I do upload new content for you. So until next time, go check out those video tabs and really look at creating some live stream video content for your small business. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye for now.